What's up, guys? So today we're going to be doing a tour of my farm. I will show you some stuff. I have a couple animals. Alright, let's get into it. So up first we got these chickens. Goats too. Alright. So, and then some of these animals might be hard to show because they're scared of me. So, oh, and you will notice I did get glasses. So, I got them yesterday. Oh, here, wait. Oh, okay. I'll find one way. Okay. Oh, shh. Be quiet, guys. Here we go. I got some guineas. Those things right there are guineas. And then there's a cat. Okay. Okay. Now, there's something. Chickens. Oh, I have, oh, don't look at that. One, okay. Now, I'll show you some of the other stuff later. So, we're gonna come in here. Here's some stuff. Cat. Bunch of chickens there. Okay. Some stuff there. I have ducks somewhere, but I don't know. We also got a pet squirrel. I might be able to show you later. Yeah. Say hi, chickies. You're on live TV. Wait, not live TV. Okay. So, now, let's come over here. I don't, remember the duck had babies, but I don't know where the ducks are. I might find them later. And then, here, I gotta cover it real quick. Okay. There. Now, here's one of my baby goats. Right there. There we go. And then, dog. Right there. There's a dog. Sorry, it's a little laggy. Alright. Now, nothing in here. Okay. Alright. Now, that'll be it for now. I'll make part 2 here in a little bit. Part 2 coming in like 10 minutes. I have to get everything settled, upload this video. I got another video uploading. Go check it out. It's the Geometry Dash video that I posted. So, I'll see all of you in the next video.